In this video, we're going to solve a particular problem which is appear in the year 2020 in main paper, JEE main paper. It's a very interesting problem, and many times similar kind of problem is actually repeated in board paper as well as the JEE paper. Let's go ahead and understand the problem statement. Here says that we have a word called, beautiful word called mother. So that mother word is given. Now, every letters of this particular word mother is actually rearranged. Okay, for example, O will be first, and OMTHR, maybe TOMHR or something like that, right? So this is possible. Now it says that, right, if we rearrange all the possibilities, right, in alongside or the method of the dictionary sorting, right, so then, right, what will be the order, right, what will be the possible order, right, of the number of the word called mother? Okay, that's it, that's we are going to find out. So therefore, right, to understand the dictionary sorting, what is the dictionary sorting is all about? That means first we start with A, then it will be some word, A word, then B word, then C word, and also if we start with B, then it will be B, then it will be C, and so on. So the alphabetical order, it need to be maintained. So let's go ahead and see how we obtain the position. So let's observe the letters in the word mother. They are M-O-T-H here, and everything are distinct, which makes our life more easier. Let's go ahead. So the letter A in alphabetical order will be, first will be E, then H, then M, then O, R, and T. That's very basic and obvious, right? So we obtain that. So therefore, if we sort all the possibilities and in dictionary order, so what will happen? First, we'll get all the words starting with E. Then we have all the words starting with H. Then we have all the words starting with M. Now, in that subsection of starting with M, right, our mother belongs, right? So therefore, we have to consider the second letter now. So after M, right, it will start with ME, then it will be start with MH, then MO. So see that first two the letter of mother is already obtained. So therefore, I have to go for the third letter. So it will be MOE, then MOH, then MOR, and then MOT. Okay. Now, when we obtain the MOT, we get the first three letter of the word mother, right? So now we have to check for the next one. That is the fourth one. So the fourth one will be first MOTE. The next one will be MOTH. Now see that it should be MOTH. Now when is MOTH, right? Then the first word, right, will be E, and then it will be R. So then we obtain the word called mother. So therefore, the position of the to find the position of the word mother, we have to find how many numbers starting with ME, H, M, starting with ME, and so on and so forth, right? So let's go ahead and find all those cases separately. Let's go ahead. First, we have to consider the word starting with E, right? So for that, we consider, right, that here six letters are there and all are distinct. So therefore, we consider 5 boxes to represent the 5 letter, right? So basically, I'm talking about that when I talk about first box, second box, and all that, I maintain this direction. Okay, just remember that. Okay, so this direction I'll maintain. Okay, now let's go ahead. So here, right, that starting with E means that in first box I can place E. Now if the first box is placed in E, so therefore there are 5 boxes need to be filled by remaining 5 letters, right? So 5 boxes need to be filled by 5 different letters. So what is the possibility? Factorial 5. Now we consider that word starting with H. For the case if we start with H, right, the same condition hold. 5 boxes, 5 letters. Again factorial 5. We consider that starting with M. So the first 2 boxes is filled by ME. Now if I consider that first 2 boxes is filled with ME, so the remaining boxes are 4 and remaining letters are also 4. Factorial 4. If I place with MH, again it will be factorial 4, right? 4 letter, 4 boxes. Similarly for AMO. But AMO, we need to go ahead further. So now we consider that AMO E as the first box. How many remaining boxes? 3. How many words left? 3. Factorial 3. For MOH, obviously factorial 3. For our MOR, again it will be factorial 3. So we done it. So see that the calculation became easier. Now let's go ahead. We have to find MOT. So let's put that MOT at the first place, first 4 boxes. So therefore, 2 words remaining, and we have to go ahead with factorial 2, and that's it. So therefore we understand that, right? The what is the position, what is the position of the word called mother? So the position of the word mother is will be sum of everything. So therefore it will be 2 factorial 5, 2 factorial 4, 3 factorial 3, and 1 1, right? That's it. Now from where this one is came, because here they ask that position of the word mother. So we have to start from the top, and this is the position, right? Now if they ask what is, now how many numbers are before there, so we have to stop at factorial 2 itself. That's it. Now we need to calculate these values separately. Now notice that we know factorial 2 is 2, factorial 3 is 6, factorial 4 is 24, factorial 5 is 120. So therefore first is 2 into 120, 240, then it will be 2 into factorial 4, it's 48, so on and so forth. Now if we add them together, we get it as 3, 0 and 9, and hence we'll say that the total, that the position of the word mother, if in dictionary order, will be 309. So 309 is the correct value. That's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.